Testing. 1, 2, 3. Are we too loud? But I think we should be live, guys. What's up, guys? I know it's been a while since we were last live, and it feels really good to be live, actually, since we haven't been live in a very long time. I finally got my new computer, which is really cool. Sorry, I was just getting something. Things aren't set up 100% that professionally, because I just got it today. But I decided to come on and live stream it for today. Is quality good? Sorry, I was just getting something. Hey, Anthony. Hey, Chris. What's up? I haven't heard from you in a while. What's up, dude? Yeah, my computer broke. The motherboard basically done, but I got a better computer right now, actually a PC. And should we get into the severe weather coverage? Sorry if everything looks a little off. It's cause I haven't, and I hope I'm not a little rusty, cause I haven't been doing this in a while. So let's get into the coverage. Right now, we do have a few severe thunderstorm warnings right here in Missouri. And it's starting to form a pretty line. I'm looking for embedded rotation within the line. Honestly, not much rotation right now, but it looks like this storm could be doing something a little. But this area in Missouri's kind of a bad radar hole. 1-inch size hail measured on these storms. And we gotta watch out for these storms down here too. 60,000 foot echo tops on these storms. Some hail here. Estimated hail size indicates about 1 inch of hail on these storms. Just had fun tonight, Chris. Just enjoy your new computer. Yeah. Sorry if everything doesn't look the best. It's because I didn't really have much time to customize everything. Because all my data got resetted, so that's great. And new severe thunderstorm warning here. Moving southeast at 35 miles an hour. Hazard 60 miles an hour. Wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Impact. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expected wind damage to roofs and siding and trees. Right now on GR Earth right now, which is our other radar program, we do have a severe thunderstorm watch in effect until 4 a.m. Eastern, 3 a.m. Central. I'm happy you are back for the weather. Yep, thank you. Nice. I actually captured a cool shelf cloud. I don't know if you checked on my YouTube channel earlier. Let's see live. Look, this is if you're wondering, this is a live photograph from a weather station right now. It's a little bit curved. Hey, Chris, tell me that shelf cloud's coming. Yep. This is a pretty big squall line right now. Maybe even an MCS, I'm not sure. But I feel weird live because I haven't did this in forever. A 37 miles an hour delta velocity right now. Big delta velocity here. Oh, here, look at this. Very strong. 40 miles an hour wind gusts right now. These are radar estimates, so remember, they're not 100% accurate. This storm could be pushing into Wildwood and St. Louis later on. Hope you... Your marginal risk busted. Yep, it did. I was looking at it last night and I did not. There was some storms developed, but now there was no storms. Significant tornado parameter is fairly high, but remember, we are not too concerned about this because this is a squall line. Is audio good? Stream's good? Yeah, too much hype. Remember, Raymaves, it's a marginal risk, so you shouldn't be expecting the most out of a marginal risk. Ooh. Radar indicates rotation here. Not much. There's no rotation on here, but so a pretty decent line of storms heading near Steveville. Freesburg just passed. Flash flood warnings. Did I tell you guys about? I gotta show you guys. We also have a high risk of flash flooding right now. So, a pretty big risk of flash flooding tonight into Missouri, parts of Illinois. So, really watch out for that. This is the first one. Then eventually there's going to be other wave storm. Let me check the models for you guys real quick. Check the models for you guys. Pivotal weather. Hey, Chris P, what brand of computer did you get it from? It was like, it's something else, because we kind of got annoyed at Dell, because they won't give us, like, a good warranty. We got it from Main Gear. Pretty good PC company. I recommend. Drought slowly gone by 2024. Yeah, there's a big there's a big ridge right now in the central U.S. And I'm just, do you guys see that I'm not even organized? I'm trying to get my models up, and I should have pinned it earlier. Pivotal weather. I did this so then we could get it quick. Let me pin this. Wait. Okay, now it's pinned. Let's see what we could expect tonight for this region. Yep, drought monitor updates tomorrow. This is about right now. See, these storms are going to push south, and then new storms develop on the backside. This is where your very bad flash flooding is potentially be. Right in the trail, the first line passes, and then big line starts to form there. Basically what we're expecting. Let's see the satellite. Ohio River Valley. Oh, look at this look at this explosive convection that just developed out of nowhere. Look at that, guys. That's pretty cool, right? Chris, what do you think about the game? I think Yep, they did not do good. Oh, you're excited for the new drought update, Raymaves? Thank you guys for 4 people watching. But look at that convection burst. How's radar doing? Honestly, there's not much on the radar besides a pretty big squall line. You know? Not the most, just that very big squalling. A little bit of a hail core starting to form here. Is that a little bit of a Boeing segment starting from a bow echo starting to form? This indicates strong winds. See? That's your strong winds indicated right there. The storm's kind of moving slower, so they're starting to issue flash flood warnings ahead of these storms, which is not the nicest. Oh my gosh. These heights are extremely 60-foot echo tops. These clouds must be huge. Guys, I wanted to show you something too. Look at this shelf cloud I captured What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We have a beautiful shelf cloud here. Look at this shelf cloud. Look at that, guys. We have, hey, there's my friend Luca. Sorry. We have a beautiful shelf cloud. Look at that. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. That's the shelf cloud I captured a few days ago near my house. Shelf cloud here. Look at that, guys. We have, hey, there's my friend. That is cool. Thank you guys for 6 viewers. Time to read chat. Chris, when I joined models, it showed no thunderstorms at all. One did somehow develop. Yep. Why is there a tornado vortex signature here? That's interesting. Is that radar gunk or a tiny bit of rotation there? I'm not sure. That's very isolated if there is any rotation. But watch out for this area. No storms really stopping this. It seems like the line's starting to break up a little between now. It's more this end is severe. This end's still severe, but I think it's starting to break up a bit. Just checking. He's not alive yet, okay. That is a little bit of rotation. If it is rotation, barely at all. Barely. Flash flood warnings are getting issued behind the storm, since we do have it that high risk. And guys, look at these storms starting to fire up in central Missouri. Look at that. That's where your flash flooding risk is starting from, these storms. Eventually, when these storms push there, that's going to be more of your tornadic conditions. Not tornadic, I mean flash flooding. Let's read some of these severe thunderstorm warnings. 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail possible. It's almost 11 o'clock already. Take a 3D. Look at those clouds. Pretty cool. How can I move that? Try and get. What? Yeah. I can't believe that is rotation out. Is there? Honestly, Anthony, the main reason there's not a tornado warning is because this could be radar gunk, and we are a little bit far from the radar site, and it's really hard to say. If it is rotation, it's very isolated, so I don't think they need to pull a tornado warning on it. But possibly. I feel like this line is kind of breaking away from this line. You see what I'm saying? The bot's not going off. Why is there a high significant tornado parameter? You know? The problem is, there's not a lot of cape. Instability. Sorry. I'm just downloading a color table real quick. I want to download the Cape color table for you guys, because it's the default one's very ugly, so I just want it to look a little better for you guys. Where's the Cape one? If not, I get it off stream. Where is it? Hey Chris, do you think Yep, a lot of people overhyped weather events this year, and it ends up not being that bad. But Besides that high risk we had on March 31st. That was bad. Okay, we need mixed layer cape. The definition of the cape in this is SB cape. We have this SB cape. Boom, there's the first one. Okay, we got it, guys. Now time to put it in. Look at this cape, guys. Pretty decent cape. 2,000 joules per kilogram up here. And 3,000 joules a cape right now up here. Chris, just me. I tell you about winter. Yeah. Yep. Okay. Rotation kind of dissipated. That is a 45 miles an hour delta velocity. Pretty strong swat. It looks like it's turning into an MCS almost, guys. A mesoconvective system. It looks like it is because this leading edge of the line here is breaking apart. And then we got, see, it's kind of breaking apart. Now we got this big line to worry about. I feel like it kind of changed a little. What do you guys think? I'm just getting GR. Cause sorry guys. Program files 86, I think. This is what I gotta do, guys. Boom. Just putting that in the file. I want to put it in there with the tornado warning audio. With that audio. So then it's all over the Caribbean. I feel like they're going. You know what? Let's check the new 5-day graphical. Actually, now 7-day. Nothing really. This storm ended up not developing. Nothing in the Atlantic. It ended up not developing, guys. Which is the great news. We need program files. This is why Windows is sometimes complicated. Sorry. This is so boring. Boom. Now we put it inside GRR. So now we will get severe thunderstorm warning notifications. Okay, now let's get back to the coverage. Now it's showing rotation here. There is a little, but it's very weak. But this, watch out. Pretty decent line coming in. Got a question. In North Carolina, all east. Any risk for North Carolina the past few? I'll check for you. Today, no. Tomorrow, you have a general risk. We may need to be live tomorrow if I'm not busy. You are good for now. Really not that much for North Carolina right now. Or the next few days isn't a lot. That's what I was saying. Look at this pretty big. Do you think it's kind of, do you think the line is kind of separating from this line a little? What do you guys think about this? Now it's more a bigger line. Sorry. Pretty decently sized squall line. Actually, this could be an MCS little. It's starting to turn more into that, I should say. Pretty decent delta velocity here. If we do big weather events, yep, I'm going live for basically every decently sized. Usually I only do 5% tornado risk, but today's an exception since I really wanted to go live and test out like the computer, stuff like that. Thank you guys for watching though. There is a 2% tornado risk today. We will be probably ending stream soon because it's getting late and there's stuff happening, but it isn't like the most significant. You know what I'm saying? Definitely doesn't look as strong. Yep. Do you guys think the line's weakening? But see, look. The frame shows, look. It was connected. Now it's kind of separating. Now this is one line, and then this is the line. You know? It's more interesting when we're covering tornado events, you know? But we don't want tornado events. Ooh, this. Just want to say. Yep, I'm so happy I finally got the computer so now I can live stream basically any weather event that occurs in the U.S. Not every weather event, but you know, a good amount of them. My rule is usually 5 tour risk I go live. Or try to go live. But today was an exception. I may end the stream now. Thank you guys so much for watching and see you on the next stream. Sorry the stream was so short. It's because it's getting late and